In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stabilize video in CapCut. If your footage looks a little shaky and you want it to feel smoother and more professional, CapCut has a built-in stabilization feature that's very easy to use. I'll walk you through the exact process so you can apply it quickly and know what to look for while it's working. To get started, open your CapCut project. Once you're inside the project, make sure your video has already been imported and placed onto the timeline. This is important because the stabilization setting is applied directly to a clip in your edit, not before it's added. If you only have one clip in the timeline, you can simply select it. If you're working with multiple video clips, click on the specific one you want to stabilize. This step matters because CapCut will only apply the effect to the clip you've selected, so it's a good idea to double check that the correct video is highlighted before moving on. Next, go over to the Properties panel on the right side of the screen. In that panel, make sure you're on the Video tab. After that, stay under the Basics section. This is where CapCut places the main clip controls, including the stabilization option. Now look for Stabilize. You'll see a checkbox next to it. Turn that on and CapCut will begin analyzing and processing the clip. Once it starts, you should see a processing status along with a percentage that shows the progress. At this point, all you need to do is wait for the stabilization process to finish. While it's processing, you may also have the option to choose a level of stabilization. This gives you some control over how strongly CapCut smooths out the motion. In general, stronger stabilization can reduce more shake, but depending on the clip, it may also change the framing slightly. So if your video looks a bit cropped or adjusted afterward, that's normal and happens because the software needs extra room to smooth the motion. When the processing is complete, your clip will be stabilized and ready to preview in the timeline. It's always a good idea to play it back and see how it looks before exporting, just to make sure the result feels natural for your video. And that's it. That's how to stabilize video in CapCut.